Intro. Hey friends, it's that time of day. Let's clean our toys and put them away. Are you ready? Let's go. Verse 1. Clean the room, toys on the floor, books on the chair. Let's pick them up and show we care. Put the blocks back, 1, 2, 3. Cleaning up is easy, come with me. Chorus, clean up time. Clean up, everyone, let's clean. Nay, make it shiny, make it bright, the cleanest room you've seen. Clean up, dance while you put away. Cleaning with your friends makes it a happy day. Verse 2. Put toys back, grab the trucks and roll them in. Put them in their little bin. Dolls go here and balls go there. Everything goes somewhere. Let's pick up crayons off the floor. Put them in the box, there's room for more. Free work together. We'll be done so fast. Clean up fun is made to last. Chorus, clean up time. Clean up, everyone, let's clean. Make it shiny, make it bright, the cleanest room you've seen. Clean up, dance while you put away. Cleaning with your friends makes it a happy day. Verse 3. Dance and clean, slide to the left while you pick up shoes. Slide to the right, cleaning's fun to do. Hop 2 times and grab your bear. Put it on the shelf with extra care. Spin around and find a toy. Cleaning up brings lots of joy. Every little thing has a place to stay. Let's make our room clean every day. Bridge call and response, I say, clean. Kids, clean. I say up. Kids, up. I say clean up. Kids, clean up. I say pick it up. Kids, pick it up. Put away. Kids, put away. Let's go. Chorus, clean up time. Clean up everyone, let's clean. Make it shiny, make it bright, the cleanest room you've seen. Clean up, dance while you put away. Cleaning with your friends makes it a happy day. Swinal verse, almost done, look around, what do you see? A tidy room for you and me. High five friends, we did our best. A clean room feels the very best. Ending cleanup time was full of cheer. Thanks for helping, friends so dear. See you next time, come back and play. We'll clean again another day. If you want, I can also create a thumbnail for cleanup time.